Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide your status on WhatsApp. To begin, open your WhatsApp application and navigate to the Updates tab. This is where you'll find all your recent status updates and the privacy settings to control who sees them. We'll walk through the simple steps to adjust these settings, ensuring your updates are only visible to your chosen audience. It's a quick process to enhance your privacy. WhatsApp offers 3 main privacy options for your status. My Contacts means everyone in your phone's address book who also uses WhatsApp can see your updates. My Contacts Accept lets you hide your status from specific individuals you select. Finally, Only Share With allows you to handpick a select group of contacts who will be able to view your status updates. To change your status privacy, first open WhatsApp and go to the Updates tab. On Android, tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, then select Status Privacy. On iPhone, tap Privacy. From there, you can choose My Contacts Accept, or Only Share With. Make your selection and confirm to apply the changes. Remember, any changes you make to your status privacy settings will only affect future updates, not those you've already posted. If you block a contact, they automatically cannot see your status. It's a good idea to review your privacy settings periodically, as your contact list and sharing preferences might change over time. This ensures your status remains visible only to your intended audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.